Yes, South Bay, Boston, Massachusetts. Yeah, this is South Bay Mall. Snowstorm, it's all white. Yeah, my first big experience. My first big experience. That's what I said. Crazy, all the ambulance stuck. This is South Bay Mall. Cannot see anything at all. Yes, this is South Bay Mall. Boston. Snowstorm. They say gonna be 12 inches of snow on the ground. Yes, snow. Snowstorm. Snowstorm. It's my first experience. That's what I'm talking about. It's snowstorm. Snowman.